Do what?
I fixed out like some of the point.
Yeah.
So.
Definitely, yeah.
Next season, to like go through ski, I'm gonna try to work on like jumping and landing.
I would do that instead of trying to stand. I feel like just faster, you know? Yeah. And then if you really want to start playing up the board, like, all that bomb debris.
Yeah.
Nobody's on the bowls at all.
You want to give them a try?
We can, yeah. See how bad it is. Yeah. Worst case, I just go down slow.
Yeah.
That's my MO. It's a combination of me not being super great and these skis are just not meant for stability at speed. So I just end up carving a lot. I think they're actually technically like meant for. I mean, they're all mounted, but like they're meant for parking. What? Sure. Okay. Not a single person on any of them.
I know.
It makes me question it though.
Yeah. We're gonna find out why.
How's your day going so far?
Pretty good. How about your guys's?
Not bad.
You guys just starting?
Yeah, second or third run. Just trying to play around and see what seems rideable.
Yeah, you know, some of the areas trying to stay out of the sun. A little sticky. Some of the areas kind of catches you.
I'd say up to Cascade.
I think they listed it as likely this morning, but leaving Vista, they said very likely, and they haven't done anything over there yet.
They set off 2 bombs.
Yep.
This morning in that area. So
They're trying.
yeah, which is saying something.
Yeah.
Because they don't always even try.
Yep.
I feel like hopefully they understand if they don't put in a little effort these last 2 weekends that they're open. When we still have
Pretty good snowpack. Yeah.
Bye.